decided I want to do another like jump start on something for 2016. I decided that I want to do a project polish. Now, when I first started seeing project polishes come out when Cherish first started them, I was like, man, there's no way I can ever do that. Like, I don't wear nail color enough to like make a difference and put a dent into any of the polishes I have. But after looking at what I have, and like since I incorporate nail polish into my weekly makeup baskets, I feel like I should narrow my collection down a little bit and focus on these polishes for the next year and some change. I do have 41 nail polishes in my collection, and I have chose 16 that I want to have finished up before the end of 2016. Like, I can't believe I'm gonna try this. Like, this is probably the ballsiest challenge I have set for myself so far, but I think it's really gonna be worth it, and it's gonna be very satisfying to see these polishes dwindle down. In the past, I have only used up one nail polish. I used up a small nail polish. It was a Maybelline Color Show in Gilded Rose, I think. Yeah, I think that's the one that I finished up, and since then I haven't used any up, and before that I never used any up. So I just want to focus and like get my mind right, you know what I mean? Since I'm posting this at the middle of the month, that's when I want to do my updates. I want to do them like mid-month. So right now we're going to do the intro and what I want to use for October, and then in the middle of next month, November, it'll be my like November kind of goals. I wanted to do it like split, that way I'm not having to do like a million videos at the beginning and the end of each month as what seems to always happen, and then the middle of the month kind of gets like no love. So I want to split it up, and I think it will be great, a great motivator, because it'll be like, oh, you know, these last couple weeks of, you know, October, I use these colors, but I'm not really feeling that, so now I want to use these colors, or something like that. But yeah, that's enough rambling. Let's go ahead and I will show you the nail polishes. I broke it up. The first category is going to be ones that I haven't used at all. The next ones are going to be colors that I have used a little bit and I have progress lines. And then the ones after that are going to be kind of like detail accent kind of polishes. So the first two, we'll group these together because they're both the same formula. This is the Revlon ColorStay Gel Envy polishes. I have one in 515 Sure Thing and one in 020 All or Nothing. So I haven't used either one of these. I got them on sale and I haven't used them. Story of my life, you know what I mean? So these are the first two that I plan to use for 2016. Then next I have a Wet n Wild Mega Last, which is one of my favorite formulas. This is 218A. I Need a Refreshment. It's kind of like a more like Robin's Egg bluey mint. I would say it has a lot more blue than green in here. So I want to use that. Then another mint color is this LVX nail color in 029 Mint. This is like more like of a true like mint, like a green toned kind of mint. Sorry I don't have anything on my nails. I actually painted one hand and then I thought it was dry and I was like, ooh, I want to take a shower. So I went to go take a shower and I completely messed it up. And it was one of the colors from my last like weekly makeup basket. And I was thinking about redoing it, but I was like, I'm about to intro Project Polish. Might as well start on one of these colors. So I'm not sure which one I pick. Maybe by the end of the video I'll have it figured out. The next nail color is this Trust Fund Beauty shade in Elegantly Wasted. This is like a dark purpley lilac kind of color. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, I don't know. Then next I have a Sinful Colors Professional Nail Color in the shade 103 Black on Black. So it's just a straight black nail polish. This one's full. I think maybe I used it once, but there's no like decrease on any of it, so we'll just count it as full. And then the last full nail polish is this Maybelline Color Show in the shade 410 Impeccable Grays. So that's that. I have duplicate kind of colors of this gray and the black, and I have another mint, and I have another white, and I have another light pink, so that's why all of those got thrown in here. Then next are ones that I have used and that have a little bit of a dent. First one is this Wet n Wild Make Last Nail Color in the shade 204B Private Viewing. I feature this in a couple weekly makeup baskets. It's just like a nice like neutral color. The line is right there. It is just about to go down, but that's where it is. Nice color. Don't really grab for it, so that's why I want to use it up. And I also don't use this Nicole by OPI Carrie Underwood color in Southern Charm. It's very similar to Private Viewing, except it's lighter. And that's my progress line on it right there. I've used this once or twice. This is gonna be hard. I got myself in deep. Then the next nail color I have is Essie's Buy Me a Cameo. Oh, if I show you the line. And then I am just right there. I have worn this probably like a handful of times. Oh, can you see it? That's the line. Then next is this Rimmel London 60-second nail color in the shade 120 Red Hot Chili Pepper. It's like a bright, kind of like neon orange color. Very nice. Worn it, I think, maybe once. Then this next one is Wet n Wild Fergie nail color in the shade A003 Gold Album. I debated on whether or not to put this one in, but it is probably the polish that I have the most dent on, so I kind of wanted to give myself a nice like happy boost, and so I added it in. Then now on to kind of like the accent, kind of detail effecty kind of like colors. I do have two here from Revlon that I haven't used yet. The first one is 755 Nude Graffiti. It says that this is like a transforming like effect or whatever. It's just got like graffiti and stuff in there. And then the next one is Brazilian Beach, which is like a sandy kind of like formula. It has kind of like a natural like color in it with pinkish nudie sand and then gold glitter, so it's really pretty. Then I do have two like accent ones that I have used. The first one is the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear Nail Color in the shade 200 Strobe Light. This is like a multicolor like glitter confetti, and that's where I am so far. This is probably like my second farthest nail color. That's really sad, but that's what I'm doing project polish now. Then the last one I have is a L'Oreal nail color in the shade 17 24 karat. So it's just like a gold chunky foil in clear, and that's where I am. I do have a couple top coats that I want to add in just to make sure I'm using them and making progress. The first one is the Sally Hansen No Chip Top Coat. That's currently where I am. This used to be, so far its entire life I've used this much up. This is like my designated like toe like top coat, but I don't think I need a specific toe top coat, so I want to just use it. Then next, I also have a Sally Hansen top coat. This is the big matte top coat. And I have made a little bit of progress on this guy. I just don't want it to sit and like go bad, so I want to use that. And then I also have a cuticle oil. I haven't used this in who knows how long. It's a Sally Hansen VitaSurge cuticle gel. And this is kind of like a jello-y like consistency, and it is really nourishing and it's really nice. I just never take the time to put it on, which is really bad. But yeah, so that's everything for my project polish. Wish me luck. I picked these colors because I think a lot of them I can use like together. So I think that's really gonna help. Like the effects, you know, accent nails, obviously can be put on top of any of the other like nail colors. And I like that I threw a white in here so that way maybe I can do some like designs or detailing, or if I need an extra boost on one of the colors, you know, I can lay it down, you know, on top of the base coat. But yeah, so that's my project polish. Like I said, I will be doing updates at the middle of every month, and I really hope this goes well, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very disappointed. But you never know until you try, and so I'm trying. Ooh, excuse me. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!